Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we will add our game manager script in which we will manage our game. Okay. So first of all let's create a script inside the scripts folder. So create a C# script, name this as game manager, and when you name this as game manager the icon of this script will be changed to a gear icon as you can see. Okay. Once you have this script, let's click on environment, and on the environment just simply drag and drop it. Okay, now let's open this up in Visual Studio Code, and the first thing which we want to do in our game manager is to allow the player to change weapons. Okay, so as you know that we have four weapons, so first of all we need to create a reference to that weapon. So we will say public game object, make this an array and name this as weapons. Okay, we will add all of our weapons in this array. Then create a actually create a serialized field which will be private integer. This will be current weapon index. By default this will be 0. That is it. Okay, this will be the index of the currently active weapon, and this is the array to hold our weapon game objects. So once we have this, now right down below create a method by the name of switch weapon. Okay, and this switch weapon we will pass a integer parameter in here by the name of new index. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, we will first of all, when the switch weapon is called, then we will first of all deactivate the current weapon. So we will say weapon current weapon index dot set active, and let's set it to false. Alright, after this we will activate the new weapon. So for activating the new weapon we will say weapon new index dot set active, set it to true. Alright, after this we will update the current weapon index because we now have a new weapon. So we will say current weapon index equals to new index. Okay, after this at the top let's create a update method. Let's remove these comments, and inside the update now we will switch the weapons using our keyboard buttons 1 2 3 4. So we will say if input dot get key down key code dot alpha 1. Okay, this alpha 1 means the keyboard 1. Okay, so if 1 button is pressed then we will say switch weapon, and as you know it requires a new index, so we will pass 0. Okay, then let's copy this, paste it down below, change this to else if. Now if alpha 2 is pressed then we will switch to the second weapon. Now let's paste this 2 times, and now if 3 is pressed then we will switch to the third weapon. Then if 4 is pressed then we will switch to the fourth weapon. Okay, but make sure the switch weapon in this you pass 0 1 2 3. Okay, because as you know in programming it starts from 0 not 1, but right here it should be alpha 1 2 3 and 4 because this is the keys name. Okay, so once we have the weapon switching, now what we want to do, we will add the start method, and when the game is start we want automatically the first weapon to be activated. So we will say switch weapon current weapon index. That is all. Now if you save this script, get back to Unity, click on environment, we have the game manager right here. Let's lock it. Okay, lock the environment inspector, click on player, and inside the player we have these four weapons, so just drag and drop it inside the weapons. Make sure they are in line like this. Okay, and leave the current weapon indexed as it is. Now let's unlock it. Click on environment, let's play the game and check it out if it works or not. So I have the first weapon, as you can see. If I press 2, there is the third one. For now the other weapons can't fire or anything or play the draw animation, but as you can see we can now change weapons. Okay, the first one is set up. We need to set up all of these weapons now. Okay, but now as you can see we can switch between weapons. Okay, and you can notice the current index changing. So now we have weapon switching in our game. Now in the next video we will set up all of our weapons. So see you guys in the next one.